Good to see so many people here joining in. First of all, a very happy Akshay Tritiya to all of you. It's such an auspicious day, and may God bring good wealth, good health, and especially peace of mind to all of you. Yes, I'm glad. How excited you all are. So, we guys are connecting after such a long time. Yes, and let me just till the time we are waiting for everyone. This is a masterclass with for Forever Mark. Okay, guys, stay tuned with me till Sachin joins. Okay, and we are waiting for Sachin to join in and start this masterclass. Oh, yes, there he is.
Hi, Prerna. What a pleasure to be here.
Hey, how are you? Happy Akshay Tritiya.
Wish you a very happy Akshaya Tritiya as well, Prerna. How have you been?
Very good. And Sachin, we
So
have a
exciting,
camera
huh?
right now here. You can see.
Yes, fabulous. It's a great effort. And I think, to begin with, I'd like to wish everybody a very happy Akshaya Tritiya. And I hope all your friends of Khurana, friends of diamonds, friends of jewelry, everybody's keeping safe in this quarantine period. And, they say like diamonds go through this whole resilience over the years and they come out shining. And I can assure you that all of us will be better human beings when things open up. This time at home has got special moments with our loved ones. We value our life. There's lots to thank the Almighty for the kind of lives we have. So I'm sure that we
All,
will be better
all
human
I have
beings
to say
when we
is
come
Sachin,
out.
live in the present. Let's live in the present.
Totally, totally, I agree. And it's so much to thank and so much to do the things that you've not done. So much diamonds to buy that you've not bought, perhaps.
So much to learn. So here's the masterclass.
Absolutely.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Fabulous. Thanks, Reena, for inviting me to have a little chit chat with everybody. And I think the fact is that while diamonds they hold a meaning in everybody's life, the youngest of the diamond is 100 crore years old. So to all your
Oh,
viewers who are perhaps wearing, these lovely diamonds, I'd like you to look at your diamond because, that miracle of Mother Nature is older than Mount Everest. And the
I know.
fact that, you're getting to touch it, feel it, and really express your special moment, your special love with somebody is quite rare. As Forever
Yeah,
Mark, we are a diamond brand from the De Beers group of companies, and we bring an extremely rich heritage in diamonds. Every Forever Mark diamond comes with the promise that they're beautiful, they're rare, and they're responsibly sourced. But one thing I'd like to share with your viewers, which I'm sure most of the people might know, but I'll reinforce, is that when as De Beers we have some very unique partnerships across the world, and one of them that I have in India, which is with Khurana Jewelry House, is something that we all at De Beers really value. For us, we feel special about this relationship because of few
thank
things. One, it's great you're always forthcoming and we kind of do things, but for so many years you've stood for trust. Khurana Jewelry House is almost synonymous to what trust is, and everybody perhaps who are consumers know that in and out, perhaps much better than me. And we at De Beers feel really proud to have partnered with you. Your master craftsmanship is important. But what excites all of us as a team when we work with you and your family, the way the new generation gets involved. You guys look young every time that I meet you, but most importantly, you're so future focused. You want the customers of Amritsar to get diamonds and their products in the way it's selling in New York or perhaps in Shanghai. You know, less in Shanghai these days, but more in New York and I would say London. But yeah, but the thing is that you're always so keen to offer your consumers the best and the best way. And I salute you for that because you really bring in, the way you sell and the brands you provide, the creativity you make is really at par with any global player across the world. And you bring pride to the industry and pride to De
you.
Beers. So thank you,
Such,
Prerna.
such kind words, Sachin. Thank you.
Oh, it's reality. So
This that good begets good. So we are connected with such good people, such good brand, and that's also a very proud thing for us having Forever Mark on board.
fabulous.
Yeah,
So
thank you
I'm very
so much.
excited about this show and looking forward to my bingo card. Right on.
All right. So guys, we'll start the masterclass with
All
Lena.
right, you
That is,
guys have fun. I'll be listening to the session
yeah,
further on. Yeah.
yeah. So we'll continue with the masterclass with Lena, which is again from the Forever Mark team. Yes, and right now I'm waiting for Lena to come on board with us and to start the masterclass with you, the Forever Mark Diamond Masterclass. Hi, Lena.
Hi, thank you, Prerna ji. It's so nice to be here. Thanks, Sachin, with the more than 100 crore old diamond that we are going to talk about here. So, should I start now? Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So, good
wait a
evening,
minute.
everybody.
Yeah, okay.
Good evening, everybody. And I'm so glad that I see so many people here because, as Sachin was saying, we are talking about something which is more than 100 crores old. And more than that, what are we talking about? The most precious stone ever. And they are the diamonds, which we all love and wear. I'm sure you sitting at home also are wearing something. I love my diamonds, I wear them. So, thinking about what are we talking about here for diamonds? Diamonds, do they need a time to talk? No, any time, any day is a good time to talk about diamonds. Yeah, so it is
Absolutely.
really, yeah,
Absolutely.
so it's really my pleasure that we are on Akshay Tritiya all getting together to talk about something we love the most. Okay. I'm gonna before we start, I want to ask you one question, which also has a prize. Yeah, this is one of that question which has a prize, which Prerna ji was
Lena,
saying in the
Aate
beginning.
prize. Aate prize.
The first question you have to answer is, which is the most famous diamond which was found in India? Come on, guys, good luck.
Guys, come on. Famous
Come
diamond
on.
which was found in India. Which is the most famous diamond which was found in India? We need your answers in the comment section. And whosoever, okay, there is one answer I can see.
Shreya,
Shreya Khanna, official, says Kohinoor. We'll have to
Ravi,
check.
Divya.
Yes, yes, guys. Yes,
Good, good.
guys.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
guys.
Very nice. Okay, so
Great.
the first question is done, and it is the Kohinoor diamond. So whoever knows it, whoever wrote it, well done. It's a feather in your cap, anyways. But there will be one winner whom we will tell at the end of this session. So
Yeah,
I'm
so our
coming
back
to
end team.
asking you. Yeah, so our backend team is looking at the names and they will keep a track. Let me ask you something that we buy diamonds because it is special and we love diamonds. So just a little tete-a-tete, like we're just chatting in this masterclass and just getting a bit to clear things off our head. Where do diamonds come from? So can I have the first slide, please? The first image.
Yes.
So dinosaur, 100 crores old. The diamond is even before dinosaurs. So what you are talking about, the natural diamond, is like amazingly beyond anybody's imagination when it was found. So the next picture, please. The bus. The bus is, you'll wonder what am I showing you the bus for? But all the diamonds which have been taken out from Mother Earth, natural diamonds, okay? And the natural diamonds for jewelry and everything is fitting in this bus with room to spare. That means this bus is also not full with the diamonds naturally that we have found.
So congratulations, Shreya Khanna. Shreya Khanna, you won the first prize for the first question. Shreya Khanna is the winner of the first prize. Okay, so Leena, you can continue. Yes.
Yeah, so can I have this next picture, or should we do, is it because of the picture your network is going wrong?
Yeah, yeah. Probably because of that. Now let's talk about this, Leena.
Yeah, so somebody was asking a question just when we went off, that is it carbon or coal? Now this is carbon atoms which crystallize under a lot of temperature and pressure, like you can see in the picture. There is a lot of temperature and pressure, and these carbon atoms crystallize over millions of years and become diamonds. So I hope I've answered your question. I think it was Shraddha. Next image, please. The story of the ant is really cute because the where we get the forever mark diamonds and a lot of diamonds are from the De Beers mines. These De Beers mines, this one is in Jwaneng mines in Botswana in Africa, in South Africa. And this mine, can you believe it, was found by a white ant? Because when the geologists went and checked the kimberlite, the sand, the earth, They found sparkling spots in the mound of these white ants, in the homes of these white ants. And they followed these white ants and they found the diamond mine. From there, we get the maximum number and super quality of diamonds from the De Beers mine. Next image, please, Prerna. So as I told you, it's below the Earth's surface. So you can see millions of years and years back, it was crystallizing under the Earth. This is just the picture telling you it's way below the Earth. So we have to go down almost from 90 to 240 miles under the Earth to find diamonds. And that also, all the diamonds cannot be jewelry. Okay, so we are just finding diamonds first.
So guys, you know how precious your diamonds are. Whatever you're wearing in your hands is so rare and so precious. Don't take your diamonds for granted.
And if you can see the diamond is shining in the dark. It shines anywhere, anyhow. And as we are saying, we love diamonds. We love to wear diamonds. And I'm sure you are
waiting for Leena to come, and please continue.
Okay. So yeah. I'm going to ask you another question, okay, to see what's happening. Okay. When was the youngest diamond found? You got the answer right in the beginning when Sachin told you about the youngest diamond. I told you. Come on, guys, answer.
Another question, guys. When was the youngest diamond found? So this question wins you a prize. Scratch your brains.
Come on, guys.
Somebody's answering.
Shreya Khanna, email.
No.
So
back in team. Okay, somebody's saying years back.
Yeah, okay, fine, guys. Some people have just added that extra zero. It is only 100 crore years old.
Yes, but I think somebody has, one of them replied first. I think that's Sandhya. Sandhya, 100 crore years, I guess. I am not sure. I'll have to ask my back-end team to check for that. So you can continue. Leena.
Yeah, so can I have the image?
Of course. But don't you think because of the image it is going to crash? So, okay, basically.
Try once more, but hang on there, everybody, because if you see the images, it makes a bit happy learning because you'll remember.
So, okay, was it the next image this one? Yes.
Yeah, so this is the diamond as it comes out from Mother Earth. We are talking about natural diamonds here. Next slide, please.
Okay, guys, my backend team says Sandhya is the winner. Congratulations, Sandhya. So next slide.
Okay, can you
Leena, you're breaking. Yeah,
you can see me now.
Yes.
Okay, so are diamonds forever? What do you guys think? Are diamonds forever? Yes, they are forever. And I will answer this question because everything we buy about diamonds is emotional. It is connected to us. It is for somebody we love. And those emotions never leave you. They're always there. So we always have diamonds which are forever. So remember, it's always bigger the better, and the more diamonds you have, the better you feel. So it's all about love and it's all about emotions which go nowhere. Okay, do you agree with me? I need a thumbs up for this. There's no gift for this, but yeah, you can put a thumbs up because we all love diamonds. Now, when from that one diamond, we get so many diamonds. Now, if you see, all of them won't shine. So all of them cannot become jewelry. So we select the ones where we will be able to give you the maximum shine because you look for the shine. So in Forevermark, we choose transparent diamonds, the ones like your reading glasses. When light comes in and light goes up, like Prerna ji's glasses, light comes in and light goes up. So it is transparent and that will get the best shine. See, we can see her eyes clearly. You will be able to see light clearly in your diamonds. So less than 1% are chosen for Forevermark because we select the transparent diamonds. Are the other diamonds bad? Not at all. Diamonds are diamonds. Remember, all these diamonds came from one big diamond you saw. And the only thing which makes a difference to this is the shine which you get and the price that you pay. So whenever you feel somebody else is selling cheaper or expensive, it is, you must see the shine. So there are two things which you have to be very careful. You should know what you're buying and you should know where you're buying from. It is very important. Trust is the most important thing. Okay, so here
Yes,
we
and
know
where you have to come, for
and we
diamonds.
know we are heading to Khurana and nowhere else. It cannot be. Okay. So
Yes.
that is why we at Forevermark are such strong partners with Khuranas, because we live by the fact that we want to make all our customers happy and give them the best. So it is the best, and there is no other diamond which is as good and the best selected one as Forevermark. That's why we have this partnership which is superb. So now I'm going to the next image, and it is one of the most beautiful diamonds which are exceptional. This exceptional diamond is the Hope Diamond. If you remember the movie Titanic, the Hope Diamond was worn in the Titanic, and it became a very famous movie and a very famous diamond. It is blue in color. Next.
True that.
Okay, what color does this look like? Red. Very, very difficult to find. Very tough to find. It is the rarest color you can ever find. Very, very few. There is no price for the rarest ones in the size. They are exceptional. Muh mange daam you can give, and muh mange daam people give to buy. So these are those kind of diamonds. Okay?
No, it's not ruby, it's a diamond, Samta. It's a
Yeah,
diamond.
it's
Yes,
a
it's
red
not ruby. It's a
diamond.
red diamond, yes.
And why is
So,
it exceptional? Because you don't find it. Rubies, so you find so many. This is a
yes,
diamond. Very,
yes.
very rare. And priceless too, Sangeeta. You're right. When I look at this slide now, you might think what is going on there. I've asked a lot of people, but just now we cannot have too much interaction here. So a lot of people say, oh, the man with the bag is me. I am carrying the bag of money. And the shaka, the jewelers, the this, the that, they're trying to induce me, trying to tell me rubbish, tell me wrong. Should I trust them? All these are sharks. So in my way, I said, the sharks are my thoughts. I should know myself before I go to buy something. It is not what other people tell me. That is exactly why we bought this masterclass with Khuranas to you.
Yeah,
Because
you
you will
should
get
be well aware and well educated of what you're going to buy. That's
Yes,
true.
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And also, they're always there. This is the other diamond which a lot of y'all guessed, the Kohinoor, which is
Kohinoor diamond, yes.
yeah. And just now it's in the Queen's crown, and the crown is in the Tower of London on show. It's priceless, okay? Priceless. But we are proud owners of it. We found it in Hyderabad. We found it in the Golconda mines. Now, when we
Yeah.
talk about Forevermark, when I told you we have transparent diamonds, and there's only one thing a human being can give the diamond, it's the shine. Because VVS, SI, G color, H color, everything comes from the earth. We're talking about natural diamonds. The only thing is we can just give it shine. So it is perfect. And in Forevermark, besides being transparent, the shine is perfect because less than 1%, the selection is so tough. This arrows just mean white light come in and white light go out. The light stays within the diamond and your diamond looks brilliant. The next picture,
Sure.
the next picture is when we look for shine, we look for scintillation. Okay, and that comes from fire. So when we cut Forevermark diamonds, there are only 45 companies, guys, in the world which cut Forevermark diamonds. And it's perfect. So it has brilliance also, and it has fire. So when you do like this, you see rainbow colors sometimes. That is fire. Okay, and that fire with brilliance gives you scintillating. उसका हीरा मेरे से ज़्यादा क्यों चमक रहा है? When you ask that, it has got fire and brilliance. That is why
Do,
you feel like that.
do we have another question coming up, Lena?
See, scintillation. Yeah, now I'll give another question. Which is the rarest color of the diamonds? A prize for this one.
Price for this one, guys, which is the rarest color of the diamond. Which diamond is the rarest? Which color? Which colored diamond is the rarest?
Come on, the mango tree,
Okay.
that mango tree.
No,
Teenage India.
Ayushi's answered first, I guess. But let's see, the backend team has to reply.
Yeah, the backend will tell you, they will send you a message. You can see it if you want now. Do you want to tell the winner now?
Yes, it's Ayushi Singhal. Ayushi Singhal has got it right. So Ayushi, you win a prize from us. And guys, whosoever are winning the prizes, you just have to send us, DM for an Khurana Jewelry House, your personal email ID, and we'll send you your gift vouchers, which you can redeem once the store opens. Right, Lena? Can we move ahead?
Yes, sure. Okay, so this is fire. So can we just discuss this? These two things happen in our Diamonds Forevermark.
Okay.
And this is sorting. Okay, so the story of Forevermark starts from the mine where we found transparent diamonds, but they all come together. So we take out the sorting. We sort the transparent ones out. Okay, so this is an important step. The next one slide, please. Okay, this is going the other way. When we say the story mine to finger, we have found it from Jwaneng mine in Botswana, which the white ant had found, remember? Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Kimberlite, yeah? In the mound. Okay. Selected diamantaires, the selected 45 companies in the world which cut polish Forevermark to the perfect standards. Okay,
Yes.
next slide. And you know what? This is the most important thing, a fact of trust. So once these diamonds are taken out and cut, polished and selected and cut, polished, they go to the Forevermark Diamond Institute in Belgium and Surat. The important thing is why we're telling you this is because it goes through so many different tests to know they're natural and absolutely genuine. That is why they are kept in really selected jewelers, like how Prerna ji is keeping it in Khurana. They don't go everywhere in the world. They are very, very selected. And this is what happens in Forevermark, in the institute, the Forevermark Diamond Institute. Each diamond, one diamond is checked that it is natural, genuine, purest, and it is gone past perfect shine. Then an inscription is put on the
Guys,
diamond table.
this inscription that they can see.
Yes. This inscription is put on the diamond table.
On the table of the diamond, yes.
Yes, on the table. ऊपर से तो you can see it. After ये set भी हो जाएगा jewelry में, तो भी आपको दिखेगा. Okay, कहाँ दिखेगा? कहाँ पे भी नहीं दिखेगा आपको. खुराना
इसमें दिखेगा. इसमें दिखेगा.
इसमें दिखेगा. Okay, तो आपको जानना नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन आपको अच्छा है कि आपका ट्रस्ट है कि आपने क्या खरीदा. और ये जो डायमंड इंस्टीट्यूट है बेल्जियम और सूरत में, वहां पे एक डायमंड चेक होता है और ग्रेडिंग के पहले भी 5 टाइम चेक होता है 4Cs के सर्टिफिकेट बनाने के पहले. ओके, ये ग्रेडिंग सर्टिफिकेट है. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला 5 टाइम चेक होता है और ये 4Cs का चार्ट है जो आपके सुविधा के लिए है कि यू हैव बॉट दिस. इट इज अ गारंटी, इट इज एन अश्योरेंस. अब ये शीट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. ओके, एक डायमंड चेक करते हैं तो एक डायमंड पे एक ही नंबर होता है. तो इसीलिए अभी मेरे पास एक बैंगल होगा 50 डायमंड के साथ, फॉरएवरमार्क डायमंड के साथ. तो मेरे को कितने कार्ड होने चाहिए? चलो वो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. मेरे पास एक बैंगल में 50
That wins the prize. That
Yeah,
wins the prize, Leena. Okay. This wins the prize. Okay.
One bangle has 50 Forevermark diamonds. How many inscription cards will you get?
Prathna Kapoor, I guess she's answered 50.
Aishwarya, one diamond has one number. Bhavya, it is 50 cards you will get. Because tomorrow if you want to give it आपकी daughter को, आपकी daughter-in-law को, और एक बैंगल भी होगा, आप 25 डायमंड दोनों को दे सकते हैं, लेकिन दोनों को पता है कि उनको ये स्पेशल डायमंड मिला है. तो एक नहीं 50 कार्ड्स आएंगे. एक का जन्म पत्री बोल दो. ओके, इट इज लाइक दैट. ओके, सो 50 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Okay, so now we can
50
go
is
to
the correct
the.
answer, but my back-end team is checking who's the winner for this.
Yeah,
Let me just
I'm
get
very
back to
happy,
you.
but
And yes,
you won't believe it. I'm so happy because so many people are answering 50-50, and even those who are answering one have understood that it is 50 because one diamond pay, one number.
okay, guys. So now Pratna has won this prize. So this goes to Pratna. Pratna, congratulations. You were the first one to answer it. And
Yeah.
guys, now it's the bingo
One.
time.
No, one more question. I think we've done 4.
Okay, so Lena has one more prize for you. The more,
Yeah,
the
and I want to
better.
give it because I love the crowd. So I have to say this. Okay, what was the name of the
Okay.
diamond? What was the name of the diamond in the film Titanic?
Okay. What
Come
was the
on,
name of the
guys.
diamond in the film Titanic? Guys, I'm repeating the question. Reply and you get a prize from Kurana Jewelry House. This is the last question.
Come
Aishwarya
on.
says Hope Diamond. Okay. Aishwarya Benial
It's
says
not
Hope
anybody
Diamond.
writing
Hope
hope.
Diamond. So, Lena, you have to tell what's the
Wow.
right answer.
The right answer. Right answer. Everybody, you have got the right answer. The diamond is
Yes,
Hope
it's all
Diamond.
are right. Yeah. And yes,
Yeah.
Aishwarya has got it right. Aishwarya is the winner of this question. Congratulations, Aishwarya. So you win a prize from
Congrats,
Kurana Jewelry
Aishwarya, and all of
House.
you. Yeah. I hope you guys
Yes,
enjoyed this.
congratulations to all the winners. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. It was very fun-filled and very informative. Please give your heads up and thumbs up to Lena. She's really put it for you so nicely.
And I want you all to go and आजमाओ, you आजमाओ उसका shine. Forever Mark का shine जाके खुराना ज्वेलरी हाउस में आजमा लो. Right ना? So
All
I
right. So,
enjoyed
guys, it's a
myself.
bingo time. Now, I
Yeah,
would,
bingo time.
Lena, I'm just, yeah.
Yeah. So take care,
All
everybody.
right.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye, Lena. Thank you so much. It was very
Okay.
informative. And
Thank you.
before I add, so guys, I'll have to add Drishti now to play bingo with us. Drishti, okay. Okay, so Drishti is going to be live with us for bingo. And please put your papers with you, the numbers which you got. I hope you have put down on your papers. Just wait a minute. Okay, wait. Okay. So now you can see me. I'm waiting for Drishti to come online. Drishti, card ID, the bingo card ID in the comment section. Whosoever writes first is going to win a diamond. So, Drishti, are we ready?
Yes, we are super ready. And congratulations, first of all, to all the winners. We hope that you guys had a lot of fun. And we're loving your comments. And thank you so much for your invaluable time and keeping all of us engaged. We are really loving.
Yes,
Hi.
guys.
Hello, everybody.
And guys, first number for the bingo is number 25. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 5, 25 is the first number called out. Okay. Second number is single number 4. Guys, second number is single number 4. Okay. So next number called out is, again, it's a single number, guys. It's single number 5.
5.
Drishti, everyone is so busy checking the numbers.
Yes.
Nobody is
Numbers.
commenting
Yes.
right now. Nobody is commenting in the comment section.
So, yes.
They are also occupied with the tickets, I guess.
True.
Okay, so the next number called out is number 12. Guys, next number called out is number 12.
Hi, Saisha.
Shall we
Hello, Ashu.
shall we go ahead? Shall we go ahead? So
Yes.
How many numbers cut, guys, already? Okay, the next number, that is fifth number, is number 15. Number 15. So far, so good, guys.
So are you guys having fun?
Yes. सब अपने bingo tickets में busy हो गए.
Yeah.
Nobody is commenting. Okay. Guys, I don't need your numbers. It's an automated thing. I can't be giving your numbers to you. So please don't tell me what your numbers are. Okay, so the next number is number 22. Thank you, Khushi Galotra. Thank you so much for such a beautiful compliment. Bingo. Mona, have you just claimed a bingo? I just called few numbers.
Yeah, it's just been 6 numbers till now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the last number called out
Yeah.
was 22, and
22.
the next number is number 10. Guys, I'm writing in the comment section side by side so that it's easy for you. It's number 10. Should I repeat the numbers once? Okay, first number
Yes.
was 25, 4, 5, number 12, number 15, number 22, and number 10. Okay, somebody is asking me, please shuffle the numbers.
Shuffle.
Okay. Okay, ये request accept हो जाती है. I've asked the computer to shuffle the numbers. Okay,
Yes.
so next number is number 19. Guys, stay tuned. Number 19. You never know who's the lucky one. Yes, when all the numbers are cut, you just have to write bingo with your bingo ID ticket as soon as possible. Okay, number 19 was the last number. अभी उसके बाद है number 3. Single number 3.
So is anyone close to getting a bingo? How many numbers are left? So anybody would love
Anybody
to see
very
your comments?
close? Yeah, किसके कितने numbers रह गए? You guys can put that. The last number called out is 3. So I've already called out just 9 numbers, I guess, right?
Yes.
So, okay. So now the next number, no way. Akanksha says no way. अभी बहुत दूर है. Okay.
No.
The next number is number 21. Number 21. यार अक्षय तृतीया वाले दिन कोई तो एक डायमंड लेके जाएगा ना. अक्षय तृतीया सबके लिए बहुत शुभ हो, बहुत अच्छी, आप सबके घर में गुड हेल्थ, गुड वेल्थ एंड सब कुछ आए, बट डायमंड तो एक को ही मिलेगा.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So last number was 21. So the
21.
next number is, yes, next number is number 6. Next number is number 6. Do we have anyone who's left with only 1 or 2 numbers? Do we have? How is your day going, guys?
8 numbers
Okay,
to cross.
okay, my God. So very ज़्यादा slow, that means. Okay. So the next number is number 11. Next number is number 11.
Okay.
Don't be
So we have
disheartened,
Sonali with
guys.
just 3 numbers left.
Yo, 3 numbers left.
Wishing you all the
Number
best.
11, yes. Number 11 is the last number. And now the next number is a single number. Single number 2. Single number 2, guys. All right. Okay, okay. Khushi is pouring So many good compliments to us.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank
so
you
the
for saying.
next number is number 23. Next number is number 23.
Okay, so we have
Okay.
5 left from Meenakshi. Wishing you all the best. We are getting closer.
And all right, the next
This is
number
good.
we have is the start of the house. That's number 1. I hope we all are clear. The start of the house, that's number 1. Guys, before I proceed, do you want me to repeat the numbers? Does anyone want me to repeat the numbers? Please put in the comment section.
Yeah, please write. Like, yes, you want us to repeat the numbers, then we shall repeat, or we shall proceed.
If you do not want that, we can go ahead. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I guess everyone is yes. So the next number called out is number 9. Next number called out is number 9. So Shreya has a request. She wants me to
Yes.
repeat the numbers. Okay. So I'm repeating the numbers quickly. Please see number 25, 4, 5, 12, 15, 22, 10, 19, 19, number 3, number 21, number 6, number 11, number 2, number 23, number 1, and number 9. Are we good to go now, guys? Happy, Shreya? Can we go ahead? Okay. So the next number is number 8. The next new number is number 8. Next number is number 14. We don't have any bingo right now. No call. Okay. So the next number is number 13. Very soon we are going to get calls, Drishti. बहुत जल्दी bingo
Yes.
होने वाला है किसी का.
True.
See,
Okay,
I'm seeing
so
people saying 2
yes,
left.
2 left. So we are really excited. We're getting closer. Wishing you guys all
Okay.
the best.
Okay, yes. All the best, guys. And last number was 13.
Bingo,
And the
bingo.
next bingo. Is it somebody said bingo?
Yes, I think Rohini Arora. Yes, we can
Yes,
see her writing
somebody.
bingo.
Rohini Arora, do you claim a prize? Did you say bingo right?
Yes.
Yes, Rohini's ID number is 188. Can you please check at the backend team ID number 188? Is it done? Can my backend team please check? So who's the winner of ID number Rohini? So Drishti, you can also see the same thing, right?
Yes. Yes, yes. So bingo card ID 188 is all done.
But no, there is one more claimer who's Harshit.
Yes.
Harshit, what's your ID number? Because my backend team is also checking who said first. So Harshit Batra, ID bingo number is ID number is 009. Is that so? So my backend team, Falguni, if you're there, please, if you could, I would want Falguni only to type here. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see who did it first. So yes.
No. But can you, can Falguni, my backend team person, please write who has claimed the bingo first?
First, yeah.
We are waiting for Falguni to say that, because Falguni has been checking. Yes, Falguni is checking. So she is writing for guys. Falguni is from the Forever Mark team, and she is our backend team. She's checking who said the bingo first.
So yes, guys,
Let's,
till then, I hope you guys
yeah, till
had
then, I
fun.
think Drishti, yeah. Guys, you guys, I knew that everyone is gonna have it in like, this is,
Yeah. We have
okay.
another claim, I think, from Ridul.
Fine. No,
Yes.
guys, Falguni is doing the checking, and
Okay.
yes, all the people who've answered their questions and those who have claimed their prizes, you have to just email us send us your email address, and your gift voucher will be sent there. From here on, can you Drishti take? I'll just confirm from Falguni.
Yes, of course. So yes, guys, like I hope you guys had fun while, like the backend team is checking who's the winner. As soon as we get the details, we'll share it with you. And thank you so much for your invaluable time.
All
And
right,
how they
guys,
say,
we've checked, and the winner is Rohini. Who's Rohini? Rohini, please, can
yes,
you please message back again? Rohini is the winner of the diamond, of the bingo diamond, the Khurana Jewelry House bingo. Rohini, you are the winner.
heartiest
Can we have
congratulations,
Rohini's?
Rohini.
Yes, can we have Rohini's message here? Congratulations, Rohini. But do we see Rohini here? Congratulations. Oh, thank you so much, Shipra. Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank you.
love. Okay, I cannot. Yes, Rohini is here. Rohini, you are the winner of the diamond, bingo diamond. You claimed it first. And congratulations to you from Khurana Jewelry House and from all of us. It was lovely to have you all here. And I hope you all enjoyed. You had real fun. What say, guys? Okay,
Yes.
people are asking next
Thank you so
session
much.
details.
Yes. We'll surely update you about the same. Thank you so
Yes,
much for the
yes,
great
for sure.
response. And how they say that, diamonds are made under pressure. We completely understand that all of us are, like going through the quarantine. But once we come out of it, we are going to come back stronger. We're going to shine brighter. And
We all are
wishing you
together
guys,
into it, guys.
yes.
Yes, we all are together into it. We all are going to come out even stronger after this.
Stronger, yes.
But till then, stay tuned with us. We have lots and lots of coming up. And thanks for your love, and thanks for joining in. Thanks for your enthusiasm. You showed it to us. We all really loved you. And believe me, we have been missing you. During this lockdown
Really.
period, we all have been missing you guys.
And thank you so much for your invaluable time and connecting through us. Like it's amazing to have you all here. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay safe, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you. All
Thank
right,
you.
Drishti, signing off.
Yes.
All right, Sachin, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you
for
to the
your
Forever Mother team. Yes.
collaboration with us, for your team, and for such a wonderful masterclass. I hope everyone is going back. I mean, everyone is at home already, but they are really taking back such beautiful insights of diamonds. And they have been putting in comments also. There were such lovely things which people don't know about it. But thank you so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope to see you back again. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.
Thank you guys.
Bye.